Jump straight into Illustrator and create a new document at 1920 by 1080 pixels. Next, select the Type tool. The shortcut is T on the keyboard, then type out your desired word. I'm going to use the word Creative, set in a font called Radogga. A quick note on font choice. This effect works best with tall, condensed fonts. That said, try a few different fonts and see how the result changes. Right-click the text and select Create Outlines, or use the shortcut Shift and Ctrl+O. Rotate the text 90 degrees clockwise, then hold down the Alt key and drag out a duplicated copy to the right. If you also hold Shift, the copy will stay perfectly aligned with the original. Position the duplicated text so it sits exactly against the right edge of the original. The two shapes should be perfectly aligned. Now choose a colour for the original text layer, then select a second colour to use as the shadow for the duplicated layer. With the duplicated text selected, go to Object, Transform, Reflect. Reflect the text vertically, then press OK. Next, duplicate this reflected layer again using Alt and Shift and line it up with the left-hand edge of the original text. Change this layer's colour back to the original text colour so everything matches. This extra layer exists purely to make fine adjustments easier later when we add the 3D effect. Now drag a selection around all three text layers and then go to Window, Symbols. With the Symbols panel open, drag the selected artwork into the panel. A dialog box will appear, give the symbol a name, set the export type to graphic and make sure dynamic symbol is selected, then press OK. With the text set up, we now need a shape to wrap it around. We'll use an ellipse. Press L on the keyboard or select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and drag out an oval shape. Now select the direct selection tool. The shortcut is A. We're going to reshape this oval into a rounded rectangle style. Select either the top or bottom anchor point. Then drag the Bezier handle left or right, depending on which point you've selected. Hold Shift as you drag to keep the handle perfectly horizontal. The goal here is to push out the contours so the shape becomes more rectangular. Once you're happy with the shape, keep it selected. Go to Effect, 3D and Materials, 3D Classic, then choose Extrude and Bevel. In the 3D Options window, set the X-axis rotation to 160 degrees, the Y-axis rotation to 45 degrees, and the Z-axis rotation to -13 degrees. Set the extrude depth to around 800 points, then click Map Art at the bottom of the panel. In the Map Art dialog, or set the surface drop-down to Surface 3, you can move through surfaces using the arrow buttons. From the Symbols drop-down, select the text symbol we created earlier. At the bottom of the window, enable Scale to Fit and check Invisible Geometry. Now select the middle left anchor point in the preview window and drag it to the left. Line up the lighter text with the lighter side of the wireframe and the darker text with the darker side. Once everything looks right, press OK, then press OK again to confirm. You should now see the text wrapped cleanly around the shape. If you need to make adjustments, open the Appearance panel by going to Window, Appearance. With the layer selected, click the 3D Extrude and Bevel effect. This reopens the settings, allowing you to return to Map Art and refine the placement. You can also edit the symbol itself by double-clicking it directly on the canvas. This opens isolation mode where you can tweak colours, spacing or alignment. To update the mapped artwork, simply reopen the 3D Extrude effect from the Appearance panel. There you have it. You should now have text wrapped cleanly around a cylindrical shape with full control over the 3D effect and the mapping. If you found this tutorial useful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets me know what to cover next. If you'd like to experiment further, you can download the original Illustrator file from my Gumroad page. It's a great way to explore the setup and tweak the 3D effect yourself. Until next time, I'll see you all in the next one.